Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic how to read encrypted messages. As you may know, WhatsApp encrypts all messages end to end for security reasons. However, there are ways to access encrypted messages and I will walk you through them step by step. The first method to read encrypted messages involves backing up your chats to a third party cloud service such as Google Drive or iCloud. Once you have backed up your chats, you can access them through the respective cloud services website or app. The second method is to use a WhatsApp monitoring tool. These tools are designed for parents to monitor their children's WhatsApp activity or for employers to track employee communications. While they can technically access encrypted messages, their use may violate privacy laws and ethical standards. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. And as always, stay safe and respect others' privacy. See you soon in the next video.